This police dog was reunited with its mother after such a long time. Their meeting was touching. This guy was trying to stay dry while reaching his car. It didn't go very well. These guys were dancing while showing off their money, but it was for naught.